Deep down, inside our bodies, lives the soul. No one has ever seen it, but we all know it's there. Not only do we know it's there, we know what's in it too. Inside the soul, right in the very middle of it, there's a bird standing on one foot. This is the soul bird. It feels everything we feel. Yes, the soul bird feels everything we feel. The bird which opens the happiness drawer each day pours happiness into your body. When someone hurts our feelings, the soul bird runs round and round in pain. By now, you've understood that everyone is different, because there's a different soul bird deep inside. That's why it's a good idea, maybe late at night, when everything is quiet, to listen to the soul bird deep down inside us.